Okay, happy Friday. Remember, I'm going to say the words. You repeat them, then give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Fly, sky. Thumbs up, good job. Star, R. Yep, they rhyme. Night, light. Night and light rhyme. Van, page. No, they do not rhyme. Long, song. I hope you're giving me a thumbs up. Long song rhyme. Good job. Okay, I'm going to say the starting or onset sounds. You repeat them. Star, C, S. High, hop, H. Wonder, we, W. Like, let, L. Diamond, day, D. Okay, very good. We'll blend our words next. Blue, berry, blueberry. Hand, bag, handbag. Newspaper, newspaper. Anyone, anyone. Waterfall, waterfall. Good job. Okay, medial or middle sounds. An, a. L, et, e. Ch, in, I, ch. H, op, op. B, ug, Okay, good job. Get your choppers out. Remember to repeat after me. Present it first, then chop it up. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Fingernail, fingernail. Leftovers, leftovers. Homework, homework. Sometime, sometime. Good job, page 2. Okay, we're going to start with our word side. Add walk to the end to make sidewalk. Pony, add tail to the end to make ponytail. Door, add bell to the end to make doorbell. Good. Mail, add man to the end to make mailman. Hair, add cut to the end to make haircut. Okay, we're going to delete our words and then do our nursery rhyme. Goldfish, take away fish, what's left? Gold, very good. Cowboy, take away boy, what's left? Cow, good. Lighthouse, take away house, what's left? Light. Popcorn, take away corn, what's left? Pop. Weekday, take away day, what's left? Week. Very good. Okay. I will say a line, You repeat it, and then at the end we'll see if you can say the whole thing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, you try to say that one by yourself, and I will see you next week. Have a great weekend.